In this video, we will learn about equal sets and its difference with equivalent sets. In two sets A and B, if every element of A is also an element of B, and if every element of B is also an element of A, then the sets A and B are said to be equal. For example, there are two sets given as A equal to ABC and B is equal to CBA. On carefully seeing, you will find the elements of set to be the same. Thus, it is an equal set. Mr. Pushpendra Kumar Shukla from Puran Chandra Vidya Niketan, Kanpur will tell us more about this topic.
Today we will discuss about the concept of equal sets over here. For the example, set A has an element A, B, C and set B has an element C, B, A. Means all the elements of set A and B are equal, means are same. Then we will say the two sets are equal if there is a concept equal sets over here. Next is your equivalent set. For the example, set A is A, B, C and set C is 1, 2, 3, then these two sets are not equal sets, they are equivalent set. They have the same number of elements. In other words, we can say cardinal number of A is equals to cardinal number of C. So when two sets has the same element, then we will say the sets are equal. If they have the same number of elements, we will say the sets are equivalent set and their cardinal numbers would be equal.
In an equal set, the elements of the sets considered have the same elements. In an equivalent set, the number of elements will be the same in the two sets considered, but the elements of the set will be different. For example, there are two sets given as A equal to ABC and C equal to 1, 2, 3. On carefully seeing, you will find the number of elements in both the sets are equal. Thus, it is an equivalent set. The cardinal numbers in case of an equivalent set would be equal. That is, cardinal number of set A is equal to the cardinal number of set C.
For more such videos, log on to CBSE section of jagranjosh.com.